We're going to the zoo today! But wait a second. Something's not right. Let's take a look. Oh my! Awesome!
It's the Quack-A-Doodle Zoo, where animals don't sound like they're supposed to do. Oh, I saw a lion with the royal mane. He strutted by proud as a plane. I waited for his mighty roar, but he meowed and purred on the jungle floor. Meow, meow!
That's not right!
A lion goes roar, not soft and light. A chubby pink pig rolled in the dirt, wiggled his tail and flung up his shirt. I leaned in close, he opened his snout, and out came a quack that made me shout. Quack, 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 quack. That's not true, pigs say oink. What's wrong with you? It's the Quack-A-Doodle Zoo, where the monkey says moo, the duck goes baa, and the cow says shoo. The hippo sings cock-a-doodle-doo. Pig cluck, clap 3 times, spin around. Can you guess the silly sound? That's not right. What did you do? This is the Quack-A-Doodle Zoo. I saw a puppy wagging its tail, chasing a squirrel down the trail. Hey, I called out bark, he turned and said moo. What? That's for cows instead. Moo, moo. No way, do. Dogs bark and woof, not chew their cud. Whoa. A tall giraffe with a spotted neck tried to whisper but gave a big wreck. She sneezed and squeaked and then let loose a honk like a goose on a wild caboose. That's so wild! Giraffes don't honk, they're calm and mild. It's the Quack-A-Doodle Zoo, where the snake says boo, the elephant meows and the owl goes moo. The kangaroo shouts cock-a-doodle-doo. Snap your fingers, hop like a flea. What's that sound supposed to be? Who mixed them up? Was it you? This is the Quack-A-Doodle Zoo. Animal sound selector malfunctioning. Moo, cluck, neigh, meow, oink. Bark, bark, ribbit, vroom, kapow! It's animal chaos right here, right now! If you hear a goat say, tweet, 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 or a fish that barks with floppy feet, don't be scared, it's not a zoo, boo, boo. You're just dancing through the Quack-A-Doodle Zoo.
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button, and comment down below.